welcome to our channel. Today we're at the beach.
Before we go to the beach, we actually have to pack lunch. So these are the things that we're going to be needing for our breakfast burrito. I'll have the description of the things that you need listed down below. I'm going to start off by sauteing the vegetables in olive oil, and there's like a tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm mixing the Canadian bacon with the eggs, and I'm going to just scramble everything together. And then after I'm done with that, I am actually gonna warm up my tortilla. And this is some hash browns that I already cooked up, and I'm adding my cheese. Now I'm adding my egg mixture, my scrambled egg mixture, and I'm gonna wrap everything up to make my burrito. And I'm gonna make about like 8 or 9 of these because there's gonna be a couple of us going on this trip, so I want to make sure everybody has something tasty to eat. So I'm gonna continue wrapping until all of my burrito is done. So here's my completed burrito. Now I'm gonna prepare the burritos for the trip. I'm gonna go ahead and individually wrap each breakfast burrito in a sandwich bag like so. It makes it very easy to eat when you're ready to eat the breakfast burrito when you wrap it up like so. And here's my breakfast burritos all wrapped up. And let me cut it so you can see what it looks on the inside. We did a really good job. This is a very delicious and simple dish to make, and you can eat it with tapatio or you can eat it with ketchup, whichever one you like. But here it is. This is what we're packing for our trip. So off we go. We're on the road. So just a quick tip, make sure that you wear a mask, because if you do not, you will get fined. They have these signs all over the place.
In Monterey, California right now, and I am with this lovely gentleman here. What's your name, sir?
My name's Jesse, and my last name's Chisler. For me, this is my hobby. I love doing it. I've been doing it over 50 years. I do by hand. This is my resume.
Wow, look at that. Those are working hands.
I'm the only one in Monterey that does this. Nobody else makes the jewelry. They buy it mostly from China.
Yeah, wow.
And these are my last batch I made. I cut the stones, I polish them, and then when the stones are done, I do all the silver work. Yeah,
isn't that amazing?
Most jewelers put these in gold, and I only do silver, so I save you about 80% off the value of these because I only make them.
Wow, that is so cool. I'm gonna buy some because I think it's so awesome. Look at this, and he actually has like a discount, like because he makes it himself. It's like 80% off of the retail price that you can get. So these items are very affordable, but they're very beautiful. So look at that, everyone. Yeah, I'm very curious to see what else I can find, but I am really excited about this find.
So now we're just exploring Fisherman's Wharf. All the gift shops are still open. However, they are still following strict health guidelines. So make sure that you have your mask on and 6 feet apart at all times. But I'm so glad that the shop is still open because they have so many great gifts, so that if you want to buy gifts to take back home, there's plenty of selections that you can choose. Look at this. These are cute earrings, and I really enjoy the gift shops there. They have a lot of unique things, but most of all, I really enjoy all the eateries that are still open. So today we'll be having lunch at Scales Restaurant. They have a wide selection of different seafood dishes. We'll be enjoying some fish and chips and also some clam chowder. It was so thick and delicious. I loved it. After that, we definitely need to work off all the deliciousness that we ate. So we came here to do some paddle boating, and it was really fun.
It's a nice sunny day. The weather is pretty warm, but being out in the water is actually really cooling. And look at all of our little bird friends out here. They're just chilling. Are they scared of us? No. They see us as mother ducks. So look at us. Just chilling with our little baby birds out here in the water. How cool is this? Yeah, this is quite relaxing actually. I can't complain about life right now because life is good. I'm actually having a lot of fun out here in the water. Yeah, look at this everyone. How cool is this?
So now we're walking to the beach. We're actually gonna go to Monastery Beach today, but on our way there we stopped to enjoy the beautiful California poppies. Look at, they're just growing out there in the wild, so beautiful. It was such a nice little walk to the beach. So we finally got to the water, and look at how breathtaking the water is. So nice and blue.
I'm enjoying my breakfast burrito at the beach. It's so perfect. The burrito is so nice and filling, and also it's perfect eating it by the beach. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I would highly recommend this breakfast burrito if you're coming to the beach. It's like the perfect food because it's not messy. But check out this beach. So beautiful. I'm definitely enjoying myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day.